Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I thought it would be fun to go shopping at Walmart. So we haven't gone to Walmart in a while, and I wanted to see if they had started putting out any fall items yet. You guys know I am looking for some budget-friendly options to style my home for fall. So I am primarily looking for brass or gold colored accent pieces, and I'm looking for some smoky colored glass. So I thought I would go to Walmart to see what I could find there. Guys, I was in for sticker shock when I looked at these prices at Walmart. When did Walmart get so expensive? Oh my gosh, you'll see what I mean as we go through the video. Needless to say, I did not find what I was looking for at Walmart. However, I find some items that were similar to some items that I'd seen at CB2 and at Walmart. These were pretty much the same items, but at a very fraction of the price. So I saw two things, which I'll show you in the video, but yeah, I was like, Walmart, oh my gosh, Walmart, where did you get these prices? And have you noticed, like when you go to the grocery store, as an example, sorry, I'm rambling. I used to be able to buy a 60 count box of eggs at Walmart for $7.88. You know how much that same box of eggs cost me? I didn't buy them, but what they would have cost me, $16.88 for the same carton of eggs. Like what? So their home decor prices are, yeah, I can find things a lot cheaper at Walmart, or not Walmart. I can find things a lot cheaper at Target, at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. So Walmart home decor, no, not very good, except for a few pieces. Their florals are still very good, so we are going to check out some of their florals. And what else? I think that's about it. So let's get into the video. Leave me a comment down below. Have you seen steep increases in price at your Walmart? Let me know. Let me know. Like what? Even Kroger. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's get on with the video. All right, so I thought we would start off here in the lamp section. I really like these pineapple lamps. I love the gold tone on them. I love the smoky glass look of this lamp. It's $36.97, not a bad price, but some of these lamp prices, I was like, oh my gosh, these prices are crazy. Now these smaller lamps, they're in line with, I would say the prices are pretty decent, but look at this lamp. $42.98 for this lamp? Really? Oh my gosh. This lamp should not be any more than $30. No. So guys, leave me a comment down below. Have you noticed a big increase in the prices in your home decor section at Walmart? Is it just me? Oh my gosh. This lamp I really liked. It was $31.88 for the size, the design, and the style. I did not think that was a bad deal. These lamps, I recently picked up a pair of these at the Goodwill for $5.99 from each for my daughter. So yeah, Walmart, no, Walmart. Your prices have gotten a little out of hand in my opinion. But leave me a comment, guys, down below. Let me know, have you seen really high prices at your local Walmart? So I decided to check out these mirrors that they have at Walmart. As you can see, they have several different colors, black, white, and gold. And I thought these would be perfect for an upcoming project that I am going to do at my niece's new apartment. They were still $7, so a really decent price. As you went up in design of the frame, the prices did go up as well. But still, prices were not bad. Like this one, Has a wood look, rustic look. It was, I think, $28.12. And then this larger one in the back that I'll show you here in just a second, it reminded me of something that you might find at Home Goods or like CB2, or I don't know if Crate & Barrel has large mirrors. They probably do. But for $50, I thought this was a great price. So mirrors, still good. Curtains were not at a bad price either. So I need to find some new curtains for my niece's new apartment. She is kind of boho in style. So this pair of curtains for $12 essentially for 2 panels, I thought was a great price. So if you are out looking for panels or curtain panels, make sure you look for ones that say 2 in the pack. You're going to get your best value at 2 in a pack like this pair. So curtains, yeah, Walmart's still on point. I really like this pair of curtains. You guys know black and white I love. And you can get 2 panels for $13. Yes, please. So there are still some things where Walmart is not as pricey as they are on like the lamps. The lamps just threw me for a loop. These also great price for 2 panels. So Walmart has a wide variety and array of curtains. I like this kind of boucle look. Again, 2 oh no, that's 1 panel. It's a little pricey, but it is can you say boucle? So yes, Walmart has a wide range and variety of curtains, as well as curtain rods. Their curtain rods, I would stay away from the El Cheapos, is what I would like to call them. These are their staple brand. I think it's the Mainstay brand. These are a little better in style and price, so I really love this one. Again, I didn't think these prices were too bad considering they are what I consider a higher quality curtain rod. So yeah, those were really nice. She also needs some new rugs, so I was looking in the rug section. The prices on the rugs, guys, not too bad. I love a pattern on some. We need to bring a little pop of color into her life. She likes black and white like her auntie, but you know, we don't want her to live in a black and white world like me. We need to get her, she's young and full of life and zest, and we need to put a little pep in her apartment. So yeah, I'm looking for a brightly patterned and colorful rug for her apartment. Walmart did have some really good options, but you guys know I always gravitate for the grays and the blacks, so I'm going to keep looking, but Walmart did have a really nice selection. My niece also needs some accent pillows. I thought this one had great texture, as well as this one, all at a great price. This one also I thought was really cute. It would go with her bedroom, give her that little boho chic look. So they really had some nice pillows, and some of them are even on sale. So Walmart will have sales just like any other store, or clearance prices just like any other store, like you see these here. Now this is a 2-pack for $13.46. I guess it's more of a rollback, but look for those 2-pack of pillows. They had several different options, as I'll show you here in just a bit. This floral pattern caught my eye. It's similar to something that you would see from the Pioneer Woman, so I thought maybe this would look great with the yellow pillows. But I'm going to need to bring my niece back with me because I don't want to pick out anything that she's not going to like. So Here are those glass containers that I told you were similar to ones that I have seen at CB2, and look at the price. So affordable. Love, love, love. I love this style. I love the design on this one, as well as this. So Walmart did really well here with their prices compared to the ones that I saw at CB2, and I will put up those prices here. Also, some really nice options on lanterns. I got lanterns here a few years ago. I think they're actually still in the basement. I need to sell them on Facebook Marketplace. And candles, I forgot to tell you. So these candles are a very affordable price compared to the flameless candles that you see at Pottery Barn. Those prices are so outrageous. Oh my gosh. So you can come to Walmart and find some flameless wick candles that are similar to the ones from Pottery Barn. I also saw these wax melts from Yankee Candle. Not too bad a price. I love those. So if you're looking for a good candle fragrance, a wax melt, Walmart has you covered at a very affordable price. I really, really love these. I always pick up my wax melts from Walmart and Target. Leave me a comment down below. Do you burn wax melts in your home? And if so, where do you pick them up? I like the aesthetic of these candles. I love the font. Just very, very nice. They look high-end to me, something you would find possibly at, your local CB2 or Crate and Barrel. These are on a row back. I thought they were a great deal. Wood wick, guys. I love wood wick candles because they have wood wick candles because they have wick stems and they crackle when you burn them. Perfect for fall. So, of course, I had to pick up a few of some wood wick candles. I like the design aesthetic of those black ones as well. So just overall, a great selection of candles at Walmart. So if you're ever in Walmart, check out the candle section. I don't think you'll be disappointed there, and the prices were really good. So I'm not finding what I came into Walmart to look for, so I thought I would go over to the floral section and see what fall florals they may have in place. I thought these were really pretty, a very muted pastel look for fall. I think that would look really, really pretty, and the prices weren't bad. These type of flowers, you can really buy those at the Dollar Tree, as well as these big, I guess, what are those, daisies, I think? So yeah, I would stay away from those at Walmart unless that's your style. I love more their roses. So I wanted to see what their roses look like. They have these magnolia stems. They were a really good price. But these are the items that I tend to look for at Walmart. So you see these really pretty roses, not the pink ones. They look too fake. But the red ones I've picked up before. I love these green hydrangeas. I think they would look pretty for fall. That combined with some white roses I thought would be really pretty. I saw these florals on an end cap for $4. It was a bunch, I It's like a grouping of them together, so I thought that was a good price. These were interesting. I don't know what you would call these, but that's all of the fall stuff I saw. And then when I was on my way out the store, I thought I would go over and check out what was in the bath section. My niece needs some new bath, she needs some rugs for her bathroom. Bath mat, that's what I mean. And I saw this bath set I thought would be a great price. I really like this one, this iCat design in blue. Thought that might be an option. So I'll have to bring her back with me and we'll see what we can find. But I didn't find what I was looking for at Walmart, so I'm off to my next destination, which is going to be thrifting. We are going thrifting to see if I can find some brass and gold accessories and some smoky glass to go into my home for fall. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Did you find anything that you liked in this video at Walmart? If so, I would love to know. These towels were really good quality. I really like those. But guys, this is the end of the video. Let's go off to our next store. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up. And if you are not yet a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the family, and I hope to see you in the next one.